What if I told you there's a way to grow wealth by finding hidden gems in the stock market? It's called value investing, a timeless strategy used by legends like Warren Buffett. Stick around to learn how this could transform your financial future. Value investing is all about buying stocks for less than their worth, much like finding a designer jacket at a clearance sale. Imagine paying 50 cents for a dollar. Sounds great, right? By analyzing a company's fundamentals, value investors determine if the stock is trading below its true value. When the market eventually recognizes the stock's worth, the price rises, rewarding patient investors. Actionable steps. Define your goals and strategy. Before diving into value investing, set clear goals. Are you investing for the long haul, like retirement, or for shorter-term gains? Also, decide how much risk you're comfortable taking and whether you want to focus on stocks, real estate, or other assets. Finding stocks or assets. Next, learn where to look for potential investments. Stock screeners like Yahoo Finance or Finviz can help you filter stocks by metrics like PE ratio or dividend yield. Stick to industries you understand. If you're into tech, explore companies in that sector. For other assets, platforms like Zillow for real estate or CoinMarketCap for cryptocurrencies are great resources. Evaluating the fundamentals. Once you've found a potential investment, it's time to evaluate. For stocks, look at key metrics such as earnings and revenue growth. Is the company consistently increasing its profits? Valuation ratios. A low price-to-earnings or PE ratio can indicate a bargain. Similarly, the price-to-book or PB ratio shows whether the stock is undervalued based on its assets. Debt levels. A manageable debt-to-equity ratio indicates financial stability. For other assets like real estate, focus on location, potential for appreciation, and rental income. Always aim for assets with strong fundamentals and future potential. Here's a real-world example. Warren Buffett invested in Apple when its stock was undervalued based on its consistent earnings growth and strong brand. Today, it's one of the most valuable companies in the world. Want to dive deeper into the art of value investing? Join us this Saturday for our summary of Benjamin Graham's classic, The Intelligent Investor. Don't miss it. And don't forget, please like this video, subscribe, and comment below with your top investing questions. We'd love to hear from you.